They got the boats out here. You get food. And you got a few skaters out here. They're doing their thing. On the Riverwalk, y'all. Get it, money maker.
I know, right?
Get the money maker. Just wanted to show y'all a little something how we do it down here in Tampa. Nice weather. I got my hoodie just in case, but it's real nice right now. But once it gets cool, guess what? I'm putting that hoodie on.
What song was that?
I like this song right there. This one right here.
What song was that?
They're getting it in, y'all.
Thank you.
Just wanted to come on here for a minute. Hey, Jennifer Youngblood, what's up? It's down here in Tampa. We got about 20 people or so from Detroit. I didn't count them personally, but we got about 20 people from Detroit down here. You should have been down here, Jennifer. Just showing you a lot of light work. All right. Moneymaker got some skill. Hey. How come you didn't come, Jennifer? You seen? I'm sure you seen my video. Okay, that's it.